Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Adobe Acrobat clone browser tool that I developed directly in browser using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So we are running this Adobe Acrobat clone PDF editor directly in the browser. So this is the source code. I have also given the purchase link in the description of the video. So after you purchase it, you will get this index.html file. So it's around about the source code is about 1200 lines of code. So it's a complete application and we have used these two PDF.js and PDF-LIB library. So it's very easy to run this. Simply inside VS Code you directly open it in local development server. So Adobe Acrobat is again a very famous software for editing your PDF files, but it does cost a lot of money, but this is completely free. You come here, you basically select any PDF file here, and then the PDF file will be shown to you. You can go to navigate to both the pages. Then we have a set of tools here which allow you to modify the PDF file. So here you click the add text button. You basically place the text. You can change the font size. You can even just change the color of the text. And then on the next page, let's suppose you want to highlight something, you click the highlight button. And here you can highlight anything like this. So this will save you a lot of time. You can even change the color of the highlighting as well. You can just see here how easy it is. Then we also have button for if you want to add any sort of images, you can directly images upload feature is also there. Then we have the blur text feature as well. If you want to blur something, you can blur the very simply. You can just see here. If you want to blur this, you can select this using your mouse and this will be completely blurred. So similarly, hide text tool also does the same thing. You can change the highlighting here using a black color, so it's completely hidden. So after you make the changes, we have the download PDF button. You simply click this and all your changes will be reflected back. So this is a great Adobe Acrobat clone that you can complete PDF editor. All the changes that you have done is reflected back here. So it's entirely a static based editor. Nothing is server side, no backend code is there. So a single index.html file here. So once you purchase it, you will get the full source code, and then you can modify the source code or add additional features as well if you have the knowledge. And definitely purchase it if you like it. And I have shown you the full demo right here, and so it will be very useful for you. So we have used these two libraries here. First of all, PDF-LIB, which is a famous PDF generation or PDF modify library. Then we are also using PDF.js library, which is a Mozilla-based PDF viewer, and you can even use to modify PDF documents. So definitely check out this.